In this video, Timmy's going to show you how to change the default search engine in Google Chrome. So in Google Chrome, if you're using Google Chrome and you type a search into this box right here, for example, if you search Tech Time with Timmy and press enter, it will then search it using your default search engine. So by default, this is Google, but if you'd prefer to search with Bing or Yahoo or a different search engine, there's actually a very easy way that you can change that search engine to be whatever you want. So to change your search engine, all you need to do is click on the three dots here and then come down to settings, and it will open up a new tab with all your Google Chrome settings. So then you just need to scroll down a bit until you see search engine here, and you'll see search engine used in the address bar is set to Google. So if you click on here, you can choose DuckDuckGo or Ecosia or AOL or Yahoo or Bing or Ask. So that's really cool. And if you want to choose one of them, you just click on maybe Yahoo. And now if you were to search Tech Time with Timmy again, it will search using Yahoo instead of searching using Google. So that's really cool, but there's only a few search engines on this list. It's not every search engine that was ever invented. So if you want to use a search engine that's not on this list, you'll first need to go to it in your browser. So open a new tab and just go to whatever search engine you want. For example, Baidu.com is a really popular search engine. So then once you've been to that site, you don't even have to search anything, you just have to go there. You can then just go back to settings and click on manage search engines. And if you scroll down here, you'll see Baidu.com is now showing up as a search engine option. So if you click on here and click on make default, it will now make Baidu.com your default search engine. So if you open a new tab and search for Tech Time with Timmy here, it will now do your search using Baidu.com. So that's really cool. And if you wanted to change it back to Google, if you decided you didn't like a different search engine, you just need to go to settings and find your search engine thing here and click on Google. And now you'll be searching with Google again. So that's really cool, and that's really all there is to it. So it's really quite quick and easy to change your search engine, your default search engine in Google Chrome. So that's really cool. And if you found value in this video, please click on the thumbs up button down below. And if you want to see more videos like this, click on the subscribe button down below and click on the little bell icon next to the subscribe button to be notified every time Timmy makes a new video. So that's really cool, and that'll be the end of this episode of Tech Time with Timmy.